Welcome to Prax Market. Let's walk you through the quick and easy process of creating your account. First, click the Sign Up button to open the registration page. Once you're on the Sign Up page, start by entering your company name. Make sure you use the registered name of your business to keep your profile professional. Next, type in your phone number. This helps us verify your account and keep it secure. Then, provide your email address. Use an email you check regularly. This will be your main way to receive updates and notifications. Now, create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security, and confirm your password in the next field to ensure they match. If you have a referral code, enter it here. If you don't, you can leave this field blank. Next, click the reCAPTCHA checkbox to confirm that you're not a robot. Then, the next step is to review and agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. You can review these by clicking the links provided next to the checkbox. To see the full version of the policy, click the link. Then, you can scroll through the text at your own pace. If you want to read a specific section, just click on the topic. It will take you directly to the corresponding section. Once you've finished reading the policy, simply switch back to the registration tab to continue the sign-up process. Finally, check the box to agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once everything is filled out, click the Create Account button to complete your registration. Now, it's time to select your subscription plan. When the screen displays a pop-up with special offers, simply close it to continue. Next, choose the plan that best fits your business needs. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be redirected to the company details page. This step is a key part of your profile setup, as it helps you showcase your company on your public profile page. Fill in all the basic company information fields, including contact person name, postal code, address, city and website, registration number, VAT number. After that, select the categories that match your company's services. When you click on the category field, a drop-down menu will appear showing the 12 available categories on the platform. If your business falls under multiple categories, you can select more than one. And then choose the corresponding subcategories to best represent your services. Next, select your country. This setting controls your company's visibility by region. For example, if you want your company to appear only in the UK, simply select UK here. Then, add a brief description of your company to help others understand your business better. Finally, upload your company logo and card image. Click here to upload your company logo. Then, select your logo and crop it as needed. Next, go to the card image section, click the upload button, and select your image. Adjust the crop if necessary, and that's it. Once done, save your updates and send a verification email to your inbox. Now, it's time to validate your account. Go to your email inbox, open the message from Prax Market, and click the Verify Your Account button. Congratulations! You've now completed your account setup process. Let's head over to the Prax Market platform to check your profile visibility. Open the sign-in page, enter your registered email and corresponding password. And sign in. You'll land on the network page. To view your company, simply type your company name in the search box. And there it is. You can now see your uploaded logo and card image. Click on it to open your company profile page. Here, you'll see all your company details displayed for your network. The next step is to set up your premium profile page. Your profile page plays a key role in showcasing your company, highlighting your specializations, skills, team, capabilities, and experience to other users. To continue with your profile page setup, follow the next video available on the site. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Start building your profile today and make your company stand out on Prax Market.